So we've left Cape Cod and we're in the town of Plymouth, where Plymouth Rock is apparently. So it's a horrible rainy day. We're kind of double parked over there, so we're taking turns to come over and see this rock quick in the rain. But I'll give you an idea of what it looks like. Here's where it's encased underneath.
Whereas down splitting away from England, it's a much smaller piece, so much bigger. So the England the dock right
there you go. It looks out over the harbor, and that was a piece of the rock. Basically, it was tried to be moved years ago, and in the 1700s, and they broke it in two. And this is one of the pieces down here that remains from the pilgrims that came over in 1620. You can see the harbor out there, bit of a misty day. But anyhow, that's Plymouth Rock. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, we're just driving along the coast here from north of Boston at a place called Gloucester. And we're just on our way to Rock Point, and it's just really beautiful along here. Just wanted to take some quick shots. Some fantastic homes along here. It's amazing. Oh, this is an incredible beach. Again, just on our way to Rock Point, and ran across this. Hello. Well, we've been absent for a couple days here. AWOL, I guess. You'll be able to see why in a minute. We're just in New Hampshire on Lake Bow, visiting some good friends, and we just can't get ourselves to leave. Want to see why? Okay, I guess you get the picture, eh? Just, yeah, so relaxing, and the water's just like bath water. It's been in the mid-30s for the last couple days, and oh my gosh, just, I don't want to leave this place. Well, everybody's been looking for paradise. Looks like they found it. So anyhow, we're back on the road tomorrow, so we'll haven't decided exactly where we're going, but we'll figure it out. We always do, one way or another. But this has just been an incredible pleasure being here, and swimming at the lake, and being with good friends, and wow, life's good. Anyhow, we'll talk to you soon.